Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make masking effect in Canva. So open Canva and create a new design. Upload your object. For me I choose this feathers and this background. Insert the feather and remove background. I will show you two methods to make masking effect. So the first method, go to edit, then button, select custom, choose highlight and select white color, and here also for shadows. Then go to element, insert a shape, choose black color and resize it, then make it behind of feather. Now download your page, then upload it and remove this. Insert the photo in the page and click on background remover, then crop the photo and resize it, make it bigger. Then insert your background like this, then make it behind of the first image, then click on the first image and go to edit, then button and custom and choose the white color for highlights and shadow also. Now our object is ready. We can make the same for this background also. Click on the first image and duplicate it, then move it on this image. For the second method, open new page, insert the object, make rotate and go to apps, look for frame maker like this, choose convert, then convert design to frame, select the object and click on transparent background, choose just current page, then click on export. Now our frame is ready. Duplicate it, remove this. Now insert the backgrounds, go to upload, drag the first background, the second also. Now our masking effect is ready. I hope that you like this tutorial and subscribe in my channel. Thank you for watching this video.